So what's up, guys? Today let's talk about sandbox. I've been talking about sandbox on my um, WhatsApp group where I teach my members about NFTs, Metaverse, how you can make money from that, how you can avoid scammers, and a whole lot of things. So we're talking about sandbox. There's this awesome feature in sandbox that you can use to make money. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So first of all, head up to Sandbox website. Alright. So after you've done that, it's going to take you to the Sandbox page, front page, and this is what it shows you where it says sign up at the top right corner. Then after you've done so, there will be an extension that will come up. So you have to use your email or maybe your MetaMask. But I used my email. So I'm going to create a pin and confirm pin, then create a wallet, a Sandbox wallet. So I'm going to do that right now. So I just put in my pin, I created a new pin. I'm just going to click on create wallet. I'm going to create a wallet for me. So each time I want to, each time I log into the Sandbox website, it's just going to automatically give me this stuff. So I'm just going to click on continue to Sandbox. So it's going to verify again, and this time it says now log in with my account. I'm going to be logging in with my Google account. That's the account I've already created. Once you're in, you just have to click on create. It takes you to this particular page where you can start editing your own. You can start making games. You can start creating your own avatar. And the beautiful thing is to use the Vox Edit. You can see Vox Edit, the Game Maker, and Avatar. I'm going to be talking about the Game Maker and Avatar on one of all these my videos. So make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be creating like a new playlist for Sandbox. So incredible stuff right here. Sandbox give you the opportunity to actually create stuff and sell in their own NFT world. So you can create houses, you can create cars, you can create artworks, you can create anything, you can create shoes and sell them out. So that's the beauty of Metaverse. When I say there's a lot of opportunity in Metaverse, there are. So NFTs, Metaverse, crypto, these are the things I talk about. So if you want to join, if you're watching this video for the first time and you want to join, make sure you click the link in the description, and also I'm always going to pin my contact in the comment section so you guys can easily contact me and get to join the group. All right, so this is just game I'm making. So I'm going to click on Vox Edit. Currently I'm downloading my Vox Edit right here. So how do you download your own Vox Edit? Scroll down after clicking on Vox Edit. So just scroll down and click on this download sign right here. Just click on download, and okay, when you click on download, it gives you two options. If you're using the Mac iOS, then you can use this you just click on this, but I'm using Windows, that's why I have my own window software downloading at the moment. So I'm going to show you that once that stuff is downloaded, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually start creating stuff and listing them in your marketplace where you can buy and sell, where you can sell these items you just created and make a lot of money. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. The next video I'm going to be showing you guys is that particular video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stick around for the next video.